Hello guys, for another video from Unfinished Passive Income. Today's video I will give you a tool can help you to find trends that actually sold. This free tool provides daily updates of long competition trend in niches. This tool can help you to make a real profit and be successful on Redbubble. So for the new people here, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading daily videos. I have tips and tricks help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your branch in the mad business. So I will very appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, share it with your friend and comment anything you want below, because that motivates me to do more videos like this. So show me some love and I will show you unique methods that no one talked about on YouTube before, and thank you for your support. Now let's get started. So first open google.com and type redbubbler.club. Click at the first result. This is the site. The site is simple and easy to understand. Okay, here we have today trends, low competition trends and the markups. Click at today trends. This is the latest Redbubble trends in the last 5 days. The site gives the idea, the best selling products in that idea, the trademark check, the page of that idea on Redbubble, and the best part, giving you the tags. If you scroll down, you will see the tags here. You just find an idea here, check the trademark and create your designs. Now if you see this trend having a big competition, you just click at low competition trends. And voila, look at these amazing results. 38 results, 43 results, even this idea have 6 results. Let's click for example at this idea have 22 results. It's great, you have a big chance having more sales on this idea. Don't forget to check the trademark of any idea you want to work on it to avoid any problems in the future. Let's back to the site. Let's take another idea, for example this one. Here to see the results on Redbubble. This is WordPress Freedom Day. Always select best selling to see the designs was actually sold. So the winning design in this idea is a text-based America Need Journalist. This is a great idea to work on it. Open Canva and start creating your designs. And for the tags, you can use these tags like you see here. All these tags are related to the idea and not a random tags. Or you can use another method to find tags, and I already explained the best few ways to generate tags for Redbubble. You can check it from here. So guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you benefit from it. If so, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and see you in the next video.